Asana is a project management tool that helps teams manage tasks, track projects, and collaborate efficiently. With this integration, you can link test cases, test runs, and defects to your Asana tasks, as well as create new tasks directly from Qase when filing defects during a test run. To install the app, make sure you are logged into your Asana account and click Install Now on the app card on Qase and follow the authorization prompts. Once installed, the app will be ready to use within Qase. To link a test case, open a project, select a test case, and go to the Properties tab. Scroll down to Link with Apps and choose Asana. In the search field, input the task link from Asana and click Link to associate it with the test case. To unlink it, click the X next to the task title. To link a test run, open the test run and select an integration in the bottom right corner. Choose Asana, enter the task link from Asana, and click Link. To remove the link, click the trash icon next to the task title. To link a defect, choose the Asana app from the Link with Apps dropdown, then enter the task URL and click Link. Finally, when assigning a status to a test case, like failed, blocked, or invalid, select Choose Integration and choose Asana. Fill in the actual result to proceed, then click Add Defect. In the modal window, you can either link an existing Asana task by clicking Link, input the task link from Asana, and click Link to associate it with the defect or create a new task from the Create tab. To create a new task, select the Asana workspace, team, and project, then fill in the required details and click Create. Once created, the new Asana task will be linked to the defect, and you can view it both in the Defects section and your Asana workspace. Statuses between Qase defects and linked tasks are synchronized. Marking a task as completed in Asana will resolve the associated defect in Qase, and resolving a defect in Qase will update the linked Asana task. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message